Hey, how you doing? My name's Brian Mary, as you guys know. I'm just checking in from Moose Meadows. Moose Meadows is a really nice spot to come visit. I used to come here all the time, my day tours. We used to pull up, there's a pull off right on the side to my left, your right. And that's a great spot to park and everyone piles out and shoots this scene. So, and the scenes we used to shoot, well we can't now because they close the road year round. But right behind me, there's a nice layering effect. I got a blog post on my website, so just look up Moose Meadows, Brian Mary, a location profile. I got a whole bunch of location profiles under that theme. So if you Google my name and location profile, Moose Meadows, you'll see the description I have for this. But behind me, you got nice layering between the bushes, the trees, the mountains, and the sky. But one thing people don't notice that's also here is color harmony. We got the red bushes, the green trees. In overcast conditions, heavy overcast conditions, the mountain is a bit cyan. And with blue sky, when it's clear, you got blue. So red, green, blue. That's a lot of people miss that color harmony of this area. And that's a compositional tool you can use to create interesting photographs as well. So you got the structural elements, but then you also have the emotional elements for the harmony of how the color and the structure interplays with each other. That's one thing I talk about in my workshops a lot when we practice. So Moose Meadows, there's a nice composition this way. You can't see the mountain, that's Mount Whymper over there. But you can just see it a little bit by the trees. But over here, we got that nice layering, which is a shot we took today. And also behind me, sorry about the sun flare, but Pilot Mountain is back there as well. So if you take the 4-kilometer walk each way, you can get a nice day out and have a good trip. So I'm going to sign off now, because we got to walk back still, another 4K. But it's a nice way to spend a day in Banff National Park. And I hope to see you guys out here. And on the other side of COVID, if you want to go to the best places in Banff National Park, honestly, I do private tours, and I've been here, well, close to 25 years now. I know where the good spots are to shoot in any kind of weather. I can virtually guarantee, knock on wood, that you will come home with good shots, good top quality shots if you hire me for a tour. But if you can't afford me, which is understandable, Google my name and location profile, and I talk about a lot of really good spots in Banff Park, and you can go do it yourself. But make sure you get good images, hire me. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later from Banff National Park.